Hey there, it's me again. So today I'm going to talk to you about the open stimulus response pathway. Here we go. I've made a video on stimulus response. Here we go. Okay, so here's the stimulus. Then after the stimulus comes the receptor, then via sensory neuron comes the control center, then motor neuron, effector, response. Now let me give you an example that you might know of, the Olympics. Stimulus. Let's say all the Olympic players are standing at one place. They're ready to go and the gun is shot. Stimulus is the gun, okay? So, next, the receptor is the ear. Oopsie. Because you have to hear it. If someone doesn't have an ear, they won't receive it and they won't be able to move. Ear. Whoa. And then you might think, well, what if everyone else signals to them that you'd better move? Well, we're just talking about that gun, remember. Next, sensory neuron, control center. In this case, it will be the brain again. Well, not again, technically, because I was thinking forward. Okay, motor neuron. Sensory neuron, because the ear sensed it, and it went via sensory neuron to the brain. The brain processed it, and it says, okay, that's it. We've found a signal, motor neuron. Now! Okay. So it goes via motor neuron to the effector. So the effector in this case is going to be the muscles. I'll call it the leg muscle. My writing, leg muscle. So, and then the response, okay, I'm gonna have to change color now. Approximately here. Okay, here. Response is start, sprint. So this was the first one. Now you might know that actually they would have done a lot of training, so this is kind of inbuilt into them that you hear the gun and the ear, when the brain detects that, then just do it. But then there are some inbuilt stuff too. For example, let's say stimulus, you touch a hot plate. Stimulus is, oopsie. Extreme heat. I'll even add sudden. Okay, wait. In fact, you know what? Extreme heat is alright. So extreme heat, the receptor in this case will actually be the thermoreceptors. I really need to fix this. Okay, it's going to be the thermoreceptors, which means just the receptors that detect heat on skin. So it goes via sensory neuron now to the control center, which, by the way, in this case is going to be the spinal cord. Because when you hurt yourself or something like this, it's going to be a spinal cord. So the spinal cord judges this and sends a motor neuron now to the effector to the triceps. And then the triceps, the response is hand is pulled. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the biceps, which pull immediately. Sorry about that. So the biceps. So the hand is pulled. Now, we've done two. Now let's do my favorite one. What pilots would know. Okay, so let's say now pilots And anyone who knows planes, they know that if you hear a warning that there's terrain ahead, then you really have to pull as fast as you can, because there's a mountain ahead, mid-flight, of course. So this is an ECAM, which is no, wait, it's not ECAM. You know what? I'll just call it warning. Automated warning. Yes, automated warning. Receptor, once again, ear. Oh man, blue. So ear goes via sensory neuron to the brain again. So what this does is it judges it motor neuron immediately, affected. Once again, the biceps. Because you got a pull, see. And the response is over here. Nope, not this. Here, this. The yolk. Okay, this is definitely not that color. Okay, so this is the color, and this means the yolk is pulled. Okay, so this is the open stimulus response pathway, which, as you can see, can change. But then there's also the closed one, which I'm going to discuss in a further video. That's it for this video. See you next time.